A Wright brothers glider hangs from the ceiling. And the first successful heavier-than-air-powered aircraft flown on December 17, 1903. Orville Wright at the controls. And Charles Lindbergh pilots the first transatlantic flight from New York to Paris on May 20th and 21st, 1927. The first American to orbit the Earth, John Glenn, February 20th, 1962. The first flight and landing on the surface of the moon, July 20th, 1969. And today, tourists visit the reaches of space. And tomorrow,